Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Chemistry is Life. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about the nomenclature of the alkanes. In last lecture, we have seen the nomenclature of the organic compounds topic we have started. In that, we have completed the basic introduction and all the points. Now today we are going to study the nomenclature of the first member of the hydrocarbon, that is the alkane. In detail, we will study its rules, its examples, and the structures of the alkanes. So without wasting the time, let's continue to the topic alkane. Now in previous lecture we have completed what the types of functional groups. Okay, there the flow chart of the hydrocarbons. After that we have seen the formula for the naming of the organic compounds. What was the formula? The first, that is a secondary prefix, after that primary prefix, then word root plus then primary suffix and then secondary suffix. This is our main formula for the nomenclature of organic compounds. We have to just follow this formula. Now first of all, we have seen the word root. Now we very well know that what is the word root. If there is a one carbon, then we have to use the parent name. That parent name or the word root is, for one carbon is the meth, for two carbon is the eth, for three carbon is the prop. All these we have seen yesterday's lecture. Now the secondary prefix is mainly what? Secondary prefix is applied if there are some compounds like cyclic rings are there, then cyclo is the that type of compounds are there, then cyclo is the prefix, or some prefix are like type of if there is presence of our substituent. If in our compound there is substituent, then the substituent name should be taken before the word root. Okay, those types of are called as prefixes. Now the suffixes are if there is a double bond or triple bond or a single bond compounds, then there is a suffixes for there. If carbon-carbon single bond is there, suffix is ane. Double bond is there, suffix is ene, right? In this way the suffix are there. If alcohol is there, the suffix is ol. If aldehyde is there, suffix is al. These all suffixes are there. Now we have to apply these suffixes, these prefixes and the word root for the nomenclature of our organic compounds. Now we will go forward to the first type of hydrocarbons, that is alkane. Number one, that is alkane are our first hydrocarbons. Now what is the definition of alkane? We know very well, these are the type of which? Saturated or unsaturated? These are the type of saturated hydrocarbon because it contain carbon-carbon single bond. And what is the definition of alkane? Alkanes are the type of saturated hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon single bond. So these are the alkanes. Now I have told you in the last video that the alkanes have the general formula CnH2n plus 2. This is the general formula for the family alkane. अल्केन जेव्हा असेल त्यावेळेस फक्त हाच फॉर्मूला तिथे अप्लाई होतो. और उसके साथ में क्या बोला था मैंने, अल्केन के अंदर जो उसका एंडिंग के जो तीन वर्ड्स हैं ये क्या हैं, अल्केन के जितने भी अल्केन रहेंगे उसका सफिक्स है ये क्या है, ANE. ANE is the suffix for the alkane. Now we will calculate the family members of alkane. The examples now we are taking. Suppose the first family member. Now this general formula CnH2n plus 2. Here what is this n? This n is the number of carbon atoms. Suppose I have taken n equal to 1. Then now calculate the first family member. Put this one in this formula C1H. First of all I will write here formula CnH2n plus 2. Now the value of n is 1. C1H 2 as it is 2. What is the value of n? 1 plus 2. C1H 2 into 1 2 plus 2 4. Now here is no need to write 1 for the carbon. The formula becomes CH4. So the first family member when you will put the n equal to 1 is the CH4. Okay. Now calculate the second one. Put n equal to 2. What will happen? C2H 2 into 2 plus 2. C2H 2 to the 4 plus 2 6. C2H6. This is the second family member of alkane. We will calculate the further one more, n equal to 3. Calculate now. C3H2 into 3 plus 2. What will happen? Here C3, 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. The third family member is C3H8. Again calculate one more, n equal to, keep value 4. You will get C4H10. Right. Now what is this numbers? This C4 means there are 4 carbons and S10 means there are 10 hydrogens in this structure. Okay. Now in the word root, what I have told you, if there is a presence of one carbon, the word root is what? Meth. What is the word root for one carbon? Meth. Now can I apply the word root meth here? I can apply here because there is only one carbon. So write here meth. Now I am telling you the nomenclature of this compound. There is a one carbon, so apply meth here, and this word is not yet completed. You have to apply the suffix. What do you have to apply? Suffix. So for alkane, what is the suffix? Ane. You just have to apply here Ane. Now this is the whole word for this compound CH4. What is that? Methane. Now there is only one carbon and 4 hydrogen. The structure of methane is like this. One carbon has 4 hydrogen in this way, and this carbon has shared electron with this hydrogen. This is a covalent bond. By the sharing of electrons, this form is formed. And carbon always form how many bonds? Carbon always form 4 bonds because it required only 4 electron to complete its octet. We know very well carbon has atomic number 6. Carbon has atomic number 6. Now this carbon wants to complete its octet. The noble gas element which is in front of this carbon is neon, atomic number 10. Okay, every element in the periodic table, what it wants to attain the stability like the noble gas element. Now the noble gas element before the carbon is helium, atomic number 2, and after the carbon is neon, atomic number 10. Now this carbon have 2 ways to become stable. The one option is he has to lose 4 electrons to become stable like helium. Another way is he has to gain 4 electrons to have stability like neon. But if he lose 4 electrons at a time to attain stability like helium, it cannot happen because at a time the loss of 4 electron, it can not handle that loss. Okay, the structure, the stability of the carbon atom will get disturbed, so it will not do this way. Okay, at a time 4 electrons, the size of the carbon is very small. We know that from left to right the atomic size decreases in the periodic table. So the size of carbon is very small, and that in that small size carbon at a time 4 electron will not, it will add that electron, but the stability of the carbon will also get disturbed. Add केलं तरी disturb व्हायला, lose केलं तरी disturb व्हायला. मग carbon काय करेल? This carbon always shares electrons. What he do? He always shares electrons with other atoms. So this carbon has shared 4 electrons with the 4 hydrogen atoms. So this is a structure of methane. Carbon always form how many bonds then? 4 bonds. Is it clear? So this is structure of methane. What is the name? Formula for methane is CH4. This is methane. Now look at here. How many carbons are there? 2. What is the word root for 2 carbon? For 1 carbon it was meth. For 2 carbon it is eth. So you have to write here eth. Okay, you have to write here eth. Now look at here. What is the structure of this ethane? Just like there are 2 carbons. So we will complete the name first. Eth is the word root. Okay. Now apply the suffix. What is suffix for alkane? Ane. Right here Ane. The name of the compound is ethane. Okay. Now if you know the name, you can draw the structure. But how will you draw the structure? Eth. Eth means how many carbons? 2 carbons. Right? Just like 2 carbons. Draw first of all 2 carbons. Then ethane means just 2 carbons are there. Now if any other substituent, any other group, any other part attached to this name, if any other group is there, no, just only ethane. So just there are 2 carbons and remaining bond will cover by the hydrogens. There are 2 carbons. So this carbon has made 1 bond here. So how many bonds are remaining for this carbon? 3 bonds are remaining. Here this carbon has made 1 bond with this carbon. How many bonds are remaining? 3 bonds are remaining. So apply hydrogen for this. CH, H, 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 H. Now count the carbon. How many carbons are there? 2, C2. Now count the hydrogen. How many hydrogens are there? 6. Yes, 6. Okay, is it clear now? This is the structure of ethane. Okay, just you have to write. First of all, you write 2 carbons, then apply the remaining part, that is the hydrogen. Okay, then after the third family member is, the third formula is C3H8. The 3, their carbons are 3. What is the word root for 3 carbon? Prop. Just prop. Okay, no any other compound, no any other functional group is attached. Just apply the suffix. What is suffix? A and E. This is propane. Now if you want to draw the structure, you know the prop. Prop means how many carbons? 3 carbons. Just draw here 3 carbons and make them bond. 3 carbons are there. Okay. No any other group is attached. So just you have to apply hydrogen for it. Okay. This carbon has made one single bond. 3 are remaining. Remember, always carbon have to form 4 bonds. This carbon has made one bond with this carbon, another bond with this carbon. How many bonds are remaining? 2 bonds are remaining. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Valency complete. Here, this carbon has only made one carbon. How many are remaining? 3 are remaining. And just here apply hydrogen. Now count the number of hydrogens. How many are there? 8. Here is 8. Count the number of carbon. 3. This is the propane, structure of propane in this way. Okay. Now we will go further. The butane is the structure. Now I will draw here directly structure, then we will decide the name of the compound. Suppose the compound is like this. Now, how many carbons are there? 4. What is the word root for 4 carbon? But. Just write here but. Okay. If any other functional group is attached here other than hydrogen, no one is there. Just what is the here? You can see the carbon-carbon single bonds are there. What? Single bond. So if there is a single bond between the carbon, it is a part of which alkane? Alkane has a suffix what? Ane. Just apply this Ane. What is the name of this compound now? Butane. Now, can I write this butane like this? What? The formula will be like this. This carbon, the first carbon, okay. I will give numbering. 3, 4. The first carbon has how many hydrogen? 3. CH3. Am I right? I can write this formula like this. This carbon has how many hydrogens? 3. And this bond. Now, this bond has made with this carbon, C2 carbon. C2 carbon has how many hydrogens? 2. Just write here. CH2. Now further, this carbon how many hydrogen? 2. Here 2. And now this carbon has 3 hydrogen. So this butane can be written like this in short form: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is the formula. This is the structure for the butane. Formula for the butane. Now I can write this also just like total. How many carbons are there? 4. The molecular formula of butane is C4. How many hydrogens are there? 3, 2, 5, 7 and 3, 10. The molecular formula for butane is C4H10. This is the structure of this butane. Is it clear? Okay. Now further we will go again one more. If here one more carbon is attached. Now how many carbons are there? Just count, first of all count the carbon. How many carbons are there? 5 carbons. Now the word root for the 5 carbon is pent. Pent is there. Okay. And no any other group is attached. And here you can see the carbon-carbon, which bond? Single bond. Single bond is means alkane. Write suffix Ane. What is the name? Pentane. Now I can write it in short that CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Am I right? This is the structure of pentane. Okay, correct. Now one more structure. Now count the number of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons are there. The word root for 6 carbon is, for 6 carbon the word root is hex. Okay. Here is carbon-carbon, which bond? Single bond. Single bond means which type of hydrocarbon? Alkane. What will suffix? Ane. The suffix will be ane. And now in this alkane, there is one concept. Now you have seen this structure CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. What is this? This is butane. This is a straight chain butane. So you can write N-butane. This N is applied for the straight chain compounds. This is N-butane. Okay. And now this is what? Now N is for the straight chain compounds. जो कंपाउंड को कहीं पे ब्रांचिंग नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ स्ट्रेट चेन है, तो वहाँ पे क्या लगाने का? N लगाने का. N-butane. This compounds is the compound structure are of two types. One is straight chain compounds. One is straight chain compound means no any branches attached. यहीं पे कोई उसको कोई attach है कोई substituent वगैरह कुछ नहीं. Only there is a straight chain compound. So this is called as straight chain. If the compound is straight, then you can write prefix like N-butane. Okay. And some compounds are branched chain. What? Branched. म्हणजे त्याला अशी ब्रांच फुटलेली असते. दिस इज लाईक अ ब्रांच. कंपाऊंड स्ट्रेट चेन सुद्धा असो, कंपाऊंड स्ट्रेट चेन असतो, त्याला खाली अशी काहीतरी एक ब्रांच असते, म्हणजे दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. इसको अपन क्या बोलेंगे? सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. यानी कि स्ट्रेट चेन कंपाउंड को एक क्या सब्स्टिट्यूएंट अटैच है, कोई ग्रुप अटैच है, जित ऐसा अगर स्ट्रेट चेन के ग्रुप अटैच होंगे तो उसको बोलने का सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. और ये है ब्रांचड चेन, ये है स्ट्रेट चेन. ये स्ट्रेट चेन, ये वाला ब्रांच चेन. ओके. अब जब ऐसे सब्स्टिट्यूएंट अटैच है, देखो अपन ने क्या बोले थे, अगर सब्स्टिट्यूएंट वगैरह है तो वो कहाँ गए? प्रीफिक्स में आ गया. ओके. वर्ड रूट के पहले उनको लेने का, वर्ड रूट के पहले उनको लेने का. तो अगर ये एग्जांपल है, सपोज अपने जो भी नंबर है, एक जितने भी है कार्बन, सबसे पहले देखो कितने कार्बन है उसके अंदर? 4 कार्बन है. अब अपने को रूल अप्लाई करना है. ठीक है. रूल्स फॉर द नोमेनक्लेचर. तो रूल्स क्या बोलते हैं? द फर्स्ट रूल इज द सेलेक्ट द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट रूल? Select the longest chain. So you have to select the longest chain. Then how many carbons select longest chain? 1, 2, 3. You will get the longest chain as like 3. Or you can go like this. 1, 2, 3. You can also count this 1, 2, 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. Okay. Both the ways you will get one substituent. If you go like this, you will get this substituent, and if you go like this, you will get this substituent. Right? Okay, both the ways are same, so you can go any way. I will take this way. What? CH3. I will select this longest chain. 1, 2, 3 carbon. This CH3 will be the substituent. Okay. Now, the first rule is select the longest chain. You have select the longest chain. 3 carbon chain is the longest chain. Okay. Then you have to give numbering to the to the carbon chain. अब ये चेन को तुमको नंबरिंग देना है, बट नंबर देते हो. और एक रूल क्या है? जिस कार्बन को ये तुम्हारा सब्स्टिट्यूएंट अटैच है, ये सब्स्टिट्यूएंट को कम से कम नंबर मिलना चाहिए. क्या मिलना चाहिए? द लोवेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर शुड बी गिवन टू दैट कार्बन विच हैज सब्स्टिट्यूएंट अटॅच्ड. ज्या कार्बनला सब्स्टिट्यूएंट अटॅच आहे त्या कार्बनला कमीत कमी पॉसिबल नंबर भेटायला पाहिजे. सपोज आय हॅव गिवन नंबर फ्रॉम लाईक दिस 1, 2, 3. The 2 number is given for the carbon which has substituent. Okay, suppose I give number from right side 1, 2, 3. From both the sides the carbon is getting which number? 2 number. दोन्ही साइडने तेच नंबर भेटत आहे. तर कुठल्याही एका साइडचे नंबर घ्या. सपोज लेफ्ट साइडने नंबर दिलेले आपण पकडले. Now what you have to do? You have to first write the name of the substituent. Now while writing the name of substituent, if the group is like CH3, okay, if the group is CH3, the name of the substituent is methyl. What is the name? Methyl. If the name of the substituent is C2H5, then the name of the substituent is ethyl. Now the C2H5 can be like this, CH2, CH3. Both are same. C2H5 and CH2, CH3 are the same because how many carbons are here? 2 carbons. 2. How many hydrogens are there? 3 and 2? 5. The both are the same. Okay. This is called as ethyl. If there is a C3H9 is there, it is called propyl. You have to just apply YL. Okay. When you are writing substituent, you will have to add the suffix like YL for these names. For one carbon meth is there, and if it is working as a substituent, you have to write ending with YL. This is ethyl, this is propyl, just like butyl, pentyl, hexyl, further names are there. Okay, now the substituent is CH3. What will be the name of the substituent? Methyl. And while writing the name of substituent, you should have to mention the number of the substituent, number of the carbon on which this substituent is attached. जिस कार्बन को ये अटैच है उसका नंबर भी बोलने का, कितने नंबर कार्बन को अटैच है ये? 2 नंबर का. तो क्या लिखने का पहले? 2 methyl. How many carbons are there in the parent chain? 3. What is the word root for the 3 carbon? Prop. What is the word root? Prop. And here you can see carbon having which bond? Single bond. So the suffix will be ANE. The name of this compound is 2-methyl propane. The name of this compound is 2-methyl propane. Got it? Okay. In this way you have to give names. Suppose I will give you structure like this. Now what will you do? What is the first rule? You have to look for this longest chain. Select the longest chain. How many carbons are there in the longest chain? Suppose I will go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. I am getting 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am getting 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3. Getting 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting 4 carbons. Okay. You are maximum time you are getting the carbon chain with the 4 carbons. Okay. Suppose I am selecting like this longest chain. 4 carbons are there. Okay. And I am also getting a substituent also here. Right. Now the first rule is completed. You have selected the longest chain. Second rule what says? If there is a substituent, then the substituent attached to the carbon, what? The substituent attached to the carbon should get lowest possible number. Now if you give a number from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, the substituent attached carbon are getting 3 number. And if you give number from left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, the carbon which has the substituent is getting 2 number. So what is the lowest possible number? 2 or 3? 2 is the lowest possible number. So you will give numbering from left side. This will not applied here. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Any other group is there? No. Now you have to just, what is the rule? If there is substituent, the name of substituent should be written before the word root. हेला अगोदर घ्यायचं word root ला. कितने नंबर कार्बन को अटैच है ये? 2 नंबर कार्बन. क्या लिखने का? 2-methyl. How many numbers carbon chain is there? 4. The word root for 4 is but. Carbon single bond is there, so ending with ANE. This is 2-methyl butane. Clear? In this way you have to apply rules for each and every carbon. So select the longest chain. If there is substituent, that substituent attached to the carbon should get lowest possible number. Okay, these are the simple rules for the alkane. Okay, all compounds should have the same rule, that select the longest chain वगैरह सबको same है. But यहाँ पे substituent है, alkane में सिर्फ क्या आ सकता है? Substituent आ सकता है, फिर functional group attached है तो वो भी आ सकता है. But अपन simple से शुरू करें. We are going from the basics. These are the basic structures like this. Okay. Again in the alkane there is a one concept, that is isomerism or isomers. Isomerism or isomers. What is the concept? This isomerism. Iso means similar or same. Now what is the isomerism? This isomerism is the concept in which the two compounds, how many? The two compounds have similar molecular formula. What? They have similar molecular formula but different structural formula, but different structure. You can also say that, but different structure. Okay, what they have similar molecular formula but different structures. These type of compounds are called as isomers of each other. असे कंपाउंड ज्यांचा फॉर्म्युला सेम आहे परंतु स्ट्रक्चर डिफरंट आहे त्याला काय म्हणायचं? ते एकमेकांचे काय असतात? आयसोमर्स असतात. आणि त्या फेनॉमेनाला काय म्हणतो आपण? आयसोमेरिझम. द कन्सेप्ट इन विच the compounds have similar molecular formula but different structures are called as isomerism, and the compounds are called as isomers. Now here is the example of isomers. Okay, now you can see here, what is the formula for this N-butane? C4H10 is there. Now please apply the molecular formula for this compound also. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. C4. How many hydrogens are there? You will get hydrogen number 10. Can you notice that both the structures have similar molecular formula? Are these okay? They both structures has similar molecular formula, but they have different structure. This is a straight chain compound and this is a branched chain compounds. They have both different structures. So the compounds which have similar molecular formula but different structure are called as isomers of each other. These are called as isomers of each other. Now again one more example we will take CH2, 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 CH3, okay, and here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, and here CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. Now calculate the structural formula for this structure. How many carbons are there? How many carbons are here? 5. How many hydrogens are there? 12 hydrogens are there. Count here also. How many carbons are there? Carbons? 5 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hydrogen? You will get same molecular formula, but there is again difference in the structure. The name of this compound is, it is a straight chain. How many carbons are there? 5. For 5 word root is pent. Carbon carbon single bond, so suffix will be ANE. The name of this compound is pentane. Here select the longest chain, you will get 4 carbon chain. Okay, now here is the presence of substituent. This substituent should get lowest possible number, so numbering should be given from this. Am I right? Okay, 1, 2. Now write the name of substituent first. 2 methyl. Count the total number of carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 the word root is but. Carbon carbon single bond is there, so ANE. 2 methyl butane. This is the name of this compound, and these two structures are isomers of each other. Why? Because they are having similar molecular formula but difference in their structure. And remember one more thing, if any compound has methyl group, what? Methyl group at second number of carbon. What I am telling, if any structure has methyl group in the second number of carbon, the prefix in common names iso is written. What? Iso. The structure will be, how many carbons are there? 4. So just write isobutane. This is a common name, isobutane. IUPAC name क्या था इसका? 2 methyl propane. इसका नाम था 2 methyl propane, बट कॉमन नेम में अपन क्या यूज करें? आइसो. आइसो कब लगता है? जब अगर तुम्हारे कंपाउंड के अंदर सेकंड नंबर कार्बन पे कौन अटैच होगा? अगर मिथाइल ग्रुप अटैच होगा तो क्या बोलने का उसको? आइसो लगाने का, और टोटल कार्बन गिनने का कितने? 4, तो क्या बोलने का? ब्यूटेन. बट द IUPAC नेम इज 2 methyl propane. Here also can you see that the second carbon has a methyl group. तो यहाँ पे अपन आइसो लगा सकते हैं. इसको क्या बोलने का? आइसो. कितने कार्बन है? 5, तो डायरेक्ट क्या बोलने का? आइसो पेंटेन. In this way you can write the common name also if the second number carbon in the structure has a methyl group. Again there is a one more concept. If in the structure the carbon has 2 methyl groups, the second number carbon has 2 methyl groups, then the suffix in the common, the prefix in the common name neo is used. What? Neo. यहाँ पे क्या यूज करे थे? आइसो. आइसो क्यों लगाए थे? क्योंकि 2 नंबर कार्बन को एक मिथाइल ग्रुप है, तो क्या लगाए? आइसो. अगर तुम्हारे स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर 2 नंबर कार्बन पे नंबरिंग देने का इसको है, तो सेलेक्ट द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन. 1, 2, 3. आया 2 नंबर कार्बन. 2 नंबर कार्बन में कितने मिथाइल ग्रुप है? यहाँ पे आप 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप है. तो अगर 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप रहे तो सफिक्स क्या लगाने का? प्रीफिक्स क्या लगाने का? नियो लगाने का. क्या लगाने का? नियो. और कितने कार्बन से काउंट करो? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. दिस इज नियो pentane. Neo pentane. And what will be the IUPAC name for this compound? The first rule what says? Select the longest chain. This is the longest chain. Then give numbering. Numbering भी दे दिए. अगर इधर से भी दिए तो 1, 2 नंबर आने वाला है उसको. कहीं से भी दिए तो सेम ही है. उसके बाद क्या करने का है? जो तुम्हारे सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है उनको पहले लो, तो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट कितने हैं? 2 ही। अब 2 नंबर कार्बन पे दोनों भी ही, तो क्या लिखने का? 2 बार लिखने का। कैसा? 2 2 कितने मिथाइल हैं? 2 ही, इसलिए क्या लिखे? 2 2। 2 रहने से उसको क्या लगाने का? डाई लगाने का। क्या? डाई। अगर 3 रहते थे तो ट्राई, 1 रहते थे तो मोनो, उसको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं थी, डायरेक्ट 2 मिथाइल लिखते थे अपन। बट 2 रहने से क्या लगाया अपन ने? डाई लगाए। क्या है 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट? इसका नाम क्या है? मिथाइल। 2 2 डाई मिथाइल। हाउ मेनी कार्बन आर देयर? 3. द वर्ड रूट फॉर 3 कार्बन? प्रोप. कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड, so ending with ANE, right? 2 2 dimethyl propane. Common name will be neopentane. Now can you please calculate the molecular formula for this structure? How many carbons are there? Am I right? 1 2 3 4 5 carbons are there. And how many hydrogens are there? 3 3 3 3. You will get 12 hydrogens. How many? 12 hydrogen. And now please notice here, this pentane has C5H12, this 2-methyl butane or isopentane has C5H12, and this neopentane also has C5H12. So can I say that these all 3 structures are isomers of each other? They have same molecular formula but different in their structure. This is a straight chain, this is a branch chain having 1 methyl group, but here the second carbon has 2 methyl group. You can easily say that this is a different structure, this is different structure, and this is different in structure, but they have similar molecular formula. So these are the alkanes, and these structures are isomers of each other. कहाँ पे? ये नहीं, नंबरिंग करा लिया अपन ने, 1 2 3 नंबर दिया मैंने, वो ऐसा है वो, ठीक है। Now we will take some more examples of this alkane. Okay, suppose structure is like this: CH3, 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 CH3. Now what will you do? First of all, the rule says select the longest chain. Now go from this 1 2 3 4, 4 carbon is there. Now 1 2 3 4, 4 carbon, 1 2 3 4, 4 carbon. Again any other route is there? 1 2 3, ये तो कम कार्बन की हो रही, उल्टा 1 2 3 ये भी कम की हो रही, तो कहीं से भी तो 4 मिल रही, स्ट्रेट पकड़ने का सीधा फिर, ठीक है ना। नाउ नंबरिंग देना है आपने को आप। सो व्हाट इज द रूल? द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट शुड गेट लोवेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर। अब यहाँ पे 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है, दोनों भी सिमिलर है। नंबरिंग देने का सपोज यहाँ से दिए तो 1 2 3 4, 2 नंबर मिल रहा है कम से कम को। इधर से भी दिए तो 1 2 3 4, सब्स्टिट्यूएंट को 2 नंबर कम से कम मिल रहा है ना, कहीं से भी गए तो सेम ही है। ओके चलो, दो आप नंबरिंग भी दे दिए। नाउ यू हैव टू डू अगेन एनी अदर ग्रुप इज देयर? नो, जस्ट नाउ बिफोर राइटिंग द पेरेंट नेम यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ substituent. How many substituents are there? 2, but the numbering is different now. No one substituent attached to the 2 number carbon, another attached to the 3 number carbon. How many substituents are there? 2. You have to apply here di. What is substituent name? CH3 means methyl. CH3 means methyl, comma. Now any other substituent is not here. Just count the number of carbon atom in the parent chain. How many carbons are there? 4. The word root for 4 carbon, but. Carbon carbon, which bond? Single bond. Suffix will be ANE. 2 3 dimethyl butane is the name of this compound. Okay, are you getting my point? The next suppose structure will be this type of structure is there. Now what will you do? Here this is a substituent and this is a substituent, right? Or you can take this in a chain also. Okay, अगर तुम चेन में काउंट करें तो भी चेन में काउंट कर सकते हैं। सबसे पहले काउंट करो नंबर, सेलेक्ट द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन, काउंट करो सबसे पहले, ट्राई करो। 1 2 3 4, 4 कार्बन की एक मिल रही, ये 2 कार्बन है यहाँ पे, हाँ, तो 1 2 3 4 5, कितने कार्बन की मिल रही? 5 कार्बन की मिल रही है अपने को, क्योंकि अपन ऐसे भी जा सकते हैं ना, ऊपर भी जा सकते हैं ऐसा। ये C2H5 का मतलब क्या रहता है? CH2 CH3 रहता है, क्या रहता है? CH2 CH3, काउंट करो ना, 1 2 3 4 5, ऐसा गए तो 5 मिल रही, 1 2 3 4 5, ऐसा भी गए तो 5 इंच मिल रही है ना, और 1 2 3 खत्म हो गए तो 1 2 3 4 इंच मिल रही। लॉन्गेशन कितने कार्बन की मिल रही है अपने को? 4 कार्बन की। चलो वो इस पकड़ेंगे फिर इस तरह से, बराबर 1 2 3 4 5 कार्बन की मिल रही। हाउ मेनी सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स आर देयर? देयर आर 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स आर देयर। ओके, दोनों भी मिथाइल नहीं। आप सेकंड रूल क्या बोल रहे हैं? नंबरिंग देने का अपने को चेन को, बट योर सब्स्टिट्यूएंट शुड गेट लोवेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर। नाउ फ्रॉम इफ यू गिव नंबर फ्रॉम दिस साइड 1 2 3, द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट आर गेटिंग 3 नंबर। अगर इधर से देखे देखो 1 और 2, 2 नंबर मिल रहा है ना, 3 से कम नंबर मिल रहा है अपने को, तो नंबरिंग यहाँ से करने का फिर 1 2 3 4 एंड 5, इस तरह से नंबरिंग दिए, करेक्ट। नाउ इसको 2 नंबर मिल रहा है और इसको 3 नंबर मिल रहे हैं, और कुछ अटैच है इसको? कुछ भी नहीं। चलो फिर सबसे पहले किसको लिखने का? सब्स्टिट्यूएंट को। एक 2 नंबर पे है, दूसरा 3 नंबर पे है। कितने मिथाइल हैं? 2 मिथाइल होने से डाई लेने का, डाई मिथाइल। कितने कार्बन की चेन है अपनी? 5 कार्बन को वर्ड रूट पेंट लेने का, कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड सब तरफ, क्या लगाने का आखिर में? ANE, 2 3 डाइमिथाइल पेंटेन। Okay, so in this way these are the nomenclature for the alkane family. You can give names like this to the alkane family. Again many more example will come if when we are taking examples of mixed functional group compounds, है ना, जब अपन लेंगे अल्कोहल का भी लेंगे, अल्केन का भी लेंगे, अल्काइंस के भी लेंगे, आखिर में पूरा मिक्स लेंगे ना, उस टाइम पे अल्केन फिर रहेगा उसके एग्जाम्पल में, तो अपन वहाँ पे और प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं ज़्यादा। और ओके, नाउ इन टुडे दिस विल बी द पार्ट ऑफ दिस nomenclature of alkane. So in this way, in today's lecture we have completed the nomenclature of the alkane. In further lecture we will continue for the alkenes and alkynes. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.